Cut to the chase, unraveling the mystery. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases. Today, we're going to explore a very popular expression, cut to the chase. Stick around as we break down its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. Whether you're learning English as a second language or simply love enriching your vocabulary, this video is for you. Cut to the chase is an idiom that means to get to the point without wasting time on unnecessary details or preliminaries. It's often used in conversations where someone is taking too long to get to the main point, and the listener wants them to skip ahead to the most important part of the story or explanation. For example, if someone is telling a long-winded story about their day and you're interested in the conclusion, you might say, "Sounds interesting. But could you cut to the chase?" The phrase, cut to the chase, has its roots in early Hollywood. Originally, it referred to a common practice in silent films, where directors would move the plot along by cutting away from the build-up directly to the chase scene, often the most exciting part of the film. This was done to keep the audience engaged and ensure that the story progressed at a good pace. Over time, the phrase transitioned from its literal cinematic application to a figurative use in everyday language, embodying the idea of bypassing the unnecessary and focusing on the essential. Understanding how to incorporate cut to the chase into your daily conversations can make your communication more effective and direct. Here are a few tips. Use it when you're short on time and need to hear or convey information quickly. It's perfect for professional settings where clarity and brevity are valued. Remember, while it's a useful phrase, it's also important to be polite. Prefacing your request with phrases like, "Sorry to interrupt," or, "If we could just focus on the main issue," can soften the demand. And that's everything you need to know about the phrase, cut to the chase. We hope this video has been informative and helps you use this expression confidently in your English conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every new phrase or idiom you master brings you one step closer to fluency. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.